how to start a group chat in ChatGPT. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you how you can start a group chat in ChatGPT. So the first thing of starting a group chat is to first start a chat. So for example, let's say I'll start a new chat and type in this is a group chat. Now let's say I have started this chat so that this gets registered with its own unique ID, and now you can see that it says it is treating it as a group chat. But just writing this is not enough. You need to go to your recent chat, and you can see this is the chat that I talked about and we are currently in. Simply right click onto these three dots, and from here click onto this second option, that is start a group chat. Once you'll click onto this start a group chat, it says start group chat from this conversation. Only this conversation will be shared. Your personal chat GPT memory is always private. So click onto this start group chat in order to continue, and once you will click onto the same, this particular chat is now a group chat, and from here you can successfully add this particular chat and chat in within the same. You can also choose to invite with link. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.